Hello, my name is Jim. I'm part of the product team here at Blindster.com, and I have here a few of our Deluxe Blackout vinyl roller shades. These popular shades combine 4 key features into one shade: strong light control, long-lasting durability, convenient operation, and a fantastic price. Let's take a closer look. The first key feature of our Deluxe Blackout vinyl roller shades is the sturdy vinyl material that is 100% light blocking. This completely opaque material prevents any light from passing through the shade. This is especially helpful in bedrooms and TV rooms, or wherever you want to really dim the room from bright outside light. Note that blackout shades don't block 100% of the light through the window, just through the shade itself. Some light may still be visible coming around the sides of the shade. The 4-ply vinyl fabric is extremely durable, very easy to clean, and is fire retardant. With this kind of toughness, you can put this shade in any room in the house, including kitchens and kids' rooms, where the shades might face a bit rougher treatment. These shades come in a collection of classic color choices, including whites and neutrals, as well as some bolder colors. Unless otherwise noted, the back side of each color is white for a neutral appearance to the outside. There are several different ways to customize our Deluxe Blackout vinyl roller shades to get the style and functionality that best suits your needs. Our cordless lift option lets you raise and lower the shade by pulling on the bottom hem. A spring will pull the shade up and then hold it in place. All you have to do is pull the shade back down, give it another tug, and the tension will re-engage and hold the shade. This is a kid-friendly option since there are no dangling cords. The beaded chain option, available in either nylon or metal, can operate the shade by pulling on one end or the other of the chain. This is helpful for windows where a cordless shade might not be practical. A tension device holds the chain in place for convenience and to limit the risk of it becoming a choking hazard for children. You can also opt for our motorized lift option. This provides convenient and easy operation with the push of a button to raise and lower the shade. You can even program the shade to partially raise to a favorite position. Some of the other available options include a cassette valance, which provides a finished look, hiding the fabric roll and mounting brackets, and covering the gap at the top of the window. You can also choose which direction the fabric comes off the roll. On a standard roll, the fabric comes off the back side of the roll, which puts the fabric close to the window for better light blocking, although you'll see the white back of the fabric when it's on the roll. The reverse roll option has the fabric come off the front of the shade to help avoid any obstructions in the window, like cranks or latches, and provides a uniform color facing the room. However, with the fabric further from the window glass, it can allow for more indirect light into the room. Note that not all options are compatible with each other due to how the shades are constructed. The last key feature and what makes this shade even more appealing is the great pricing we're able to offer. For a custom-made shade with this many options, it's really hard to beat, so it's perfect for getting new window shades without breaking your budget. Everyone loves saving money, and whether you need one shade or a whole house full, these shades are cost-effective and packed with value. One thing I want to point out is that our Deluxe Blackout vinyl roller shades, like almost all roller shades, have a slightly wider gap on the side of the shade compared to, say, wood blinds or cellular shades. While those types of products are basically the same width all the way down the length of the shade, roller shades are made differently. The widest part of the shade is the top, where the fabric roll fits into the mounting brackets. Some space is required for the fabric roll to connect and to rotate freely. This space taken up by the mounting brackets results in this slightly wider gap on the sides of the shade. On our Deluxe Blackout vinyl rollers, it's between 9/16 and 3/4 of an inch on each side. Even with these gaps, the shade will significantly darken the room. But if you're trying to really maximize the blackout experience, you could consider ordering an outside mount shade to fully cover the window. So to recap our Deluxe Blackout vinyl roller shades, you get great light blocking, outstanding durability, convenient lift and style options, and an exceptional price. It's the full package available here at Blindster.com.
At Blindster, we don't just want customers today, we want customers for life.